We're at McDonald's and we're here to try the famous McGriddle.
But they don't have it.
Oh. They have lots of other cool stuff.
What is kuruma?
Teriyaki chicken burger and McNuggies and a drink, Fanta melon. Why didn't you get Shaka Shaka fries?
I didn't really want fries. I'm gonna get it next time when you can eat it.
Alright, I'm sick.
Maybe just the nuggets was bad.
The chicken nuggets taste like nothing, and the bread is pretty yummy. It tastes like sesame.
But this 16 spice curry is really good.
The sauce. Maybe you're supposed to eat it with sauce, or they don't like it so salty.
16 spice curry.
I'm not a fan of dipping sauces.
I'm not a fan of diarrhea either.
Yeah. Well, it didn't alter my taste. Even with diarrhea, I don't want to eat this. Even though I'm starving, I don't want to eat it. How's the burger? I can't eat the burger. There's too much sauce and lettuce.
It tastes like if you put McChicken, you just put teriyaki sauce on it.
Like McSpicy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty yummy. Thank you.
Geisha! Yeah! Oh!
Anywhere and buy from Libre.
I was sick today, so I didn't capture many videos. But today, Johnny helped me pick a pair of shoes, new shoes. They're my favorite brand, Asics. And we're now gonna buy some snacks in the supermarket. Cheaper. This is a 24-hour supermarket, which we don't have at all in Hong Kong, right? There we go. Oh, this is a good one. Yay!
There you go.
Dude, you finally got it. I think it's just based on, wow.
Put it back. I like this one.